Guys, you all know that I just gave birth. Yes, it's been an amazing journey, really amazing journey. I'm so happy. I think we are still in the healing process. Don't mind everything you're seeing now, but we are still in the healing process. But you see, there's nothing like this. Our God is good. It's good. You know, most times when I deliver, people don't know when I give birth because I don't usually talk about it online. If you're close to me, you know that I'm a very shy person. I'm trying to get out of my shyness, because yeah, people are because every time I get to talk to people who are pregnant or mothers who are breastfeeding or mothers who are have just passed through the stage of delivering a child and they want to now start go back to their singing. So they want to know how can they heal, how can they get into the system. For me, I'm still healing because when a woman gives birth, her heart is open. A lot of things has gone through. It's like a journey that she has gone through. So she needs to heal before she does any other things strenuous. But there are some things you will do in pregnancy that will help you to heal faster. In all of my pregnancies, I try to do those things so that when I deliver, people don't know. It's only if I tell you that I actually delivered yesterday, you will know that I delivered. If I don't want to tell you, I will not tell you, and you will not know. You just see me and you think I'm regular. But that one is God's grace, so it's still God's grace. A woman needs like 3 to 4 months to rest. If you can do 4 months, my dear, you're lucky. Do and rest. You need to rest and get yourself back. But if you know that you need to hit street, you say Nigeria now, if you lie down now, you need to chop. So that's why you see women coming out. After 1 month, they are out. After 2 months, they are out. So, guys, what do? You see breathing exercise, I always talk about it. Breathing exercise, if you go to my YouTube channel at Precision Media, just go to Precision Media on YouTube, you will see a lot of videos where I talk about breath control, breath support. Do those exercises. And I tell you to help you through your pregnancy journey so that you can retain your voice. And then when you finish your pregnancy journey, you should rest. When you start recovering yourself, don't force yourself to go into singing immediately. As I am now, I'm not forcing myself to sing. I'm not forcing myself to do my vocal exercises yet. But what I do is just my breathing exercise. In, then you do. That's just what I do. And then if I want to sing, it's just small. And when I see that it's going to be, it's like forcing a little bit of stress from me or tension, I'll just stop and then I will stop singing. It's not a must until you have completely healed. So once you are completely healed, you see that you can move on. But if you force yourself into it and say, I can still do it, I can do it, you see that you don't even have the strength to do it. And you try to force yourself. In the long run, it may work for you, but in the long run, it has a way, the woman body has a way of backfiring back to you. So if you are in this suit, you are a mother and you want to get back into your voice, my darling, take it a step by a time. Just do breathing exercises. If you want to even talk to me, I'm available to talk to my darling mothers who are in this scenario with me. I'm glad to share experiences with you, not just my experience, but experiences of other people that I've worked with. I've worked with a lot of preggy moms. I've worked with a lot of breastfeeding moms, so I know what I'm saying. Guys, if you're looking for the best voice teacher that's going to help you to find your unique voice, you should go to Precision Media. We have the best hands and we have a structured curriculum that's going to guide you through to find your voice.